Are you feeling stuck in life? Watch this video, y'all. Maybe this help you guys out. If you haven't read it yet, like, comment, subscribe, join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. If you're feeling stuck in life, you don't know where to go, you're confused, whatever, I want you to declutter your mind, your space, your time, and just focus on yourself. Just remember, y'all, that you owe it to yourself just to know your own purpose. If you haven't figured out what you want to do in life, just take it day by day. It's okay, you know. But jot down what's your favorite 5 things that you like to do, okay? And now see if that can make you money and go from there. Look, if you're feeling stuck in life, just try to meditate, try to relax, you know, try to make a change of habit, change of plan, because you're doing the same thing every day. What if you try to do something different every single day? See how much you learn, see how much you earn, see how much you grow. And don't get hung up on how it's supposed to be or how it used to be. Just focus on what will be. If you're feeling stuck in life, you gotta hold yourself accountable, because you can move left, you can move right, you can jump, and you can swat, okay? No one's stopping you but yourself. If you're feeling stuck in life, I want you to find the courage to pass through the resistance, okay? You got this, I know you will. I know you're a winner at something, so just acknowledge it and appreciate it. Take that W and let it resonate, okay? If you're feeling stuck in life, I just want you to know that if you want a positive change in life, you gotta be willing to do positive things to your life. Once you get out your comfort zone, you'll feel a lot better. Last but not least, y'all, if you're feeling stuck in life, I want you to believe in yourself. I want you to believe that you can do better. I want you to believe that you can make all your dreams come true, okay? Alright guys, without further ado, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. I hope all my video add value to your life, and I hope my video help you guys out, okay? I'll keep posting on it daily. I love y'all. Thanks for the likes, the comments. One love. See you guys next time. Peace.